Good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to discuss about the impact of coronavirus on Indian economy. We all know that this is the most important issues nowadays we are facing. As a student of economics, we must know about what is the impact of this COVID-19 on the Indian economy, how it will gonna affect us. Now, as we have already done the concept of equilibrium in the economy, so this is the topic coronavirus or COVID-19 which is going to affect the equilibrium in the economy. So first of all, let us know under which topic of economics it will fall. It will fall under the global burden of disease. Global burden of disease provide us a tool to quantify health loss from hundreds of diseases, injuries and risk factors. It also helps the policymaker to understand the true nature of their country's health challenges and how to overcome those challenges. So, global burden of disease will help us to quantify the health loss due to this disease COVID-19, and also it will help the policymaker to understand the major health challenges now country is facing. Next, before going up to the impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy, firstly we should know what is COVID-19. There is a brief description about it. It is coronavirus disease, COVID-19. It's an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. These are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. So basically COVID-19 is a disease which will make the people ill, or animals or the humans. The economic impact of this disease is loss of manpower, because most of the manpower are getting ill now due to this disease. Loss of resources, because most of the resources are now being allotted for the treatment of this illness. Loss of export revenues, as the trade between various countries have been banned. Loss of income, because production is not there, and loss of production, due to which the GDP of the India is declining. As an impact of Indian economy, it has an adverse effect on the Indian economy as it is having on the other countries. If we talk about the demand side, due to decline in the production, there is decline in the income. And when income is declining, that no doubt consumption is also declining. And consumption of one person being the income of other, it will result again into a decline of income, which will ultimately results in the reduction of aggregate demand. Talking about the supply side, due to decline in the production, there is decline in investment, and due to lack of investment, there is lack of availability of raw materials, due to which there will be no production in the economy, and aggregate supply in the economy will fall down. Due to all these impact, the national income of the country reduces, which means the GDP, that is gross domestic product of India, is declining. Now, as per the World Bank latest assessment, India is expected to grow 1.5% to 2.8%. These are the projections of the World Bank. Similarly, the International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, have also its projection that in 2020 the GDP growth of India would be 1.9%. It is lowest, clear, because the global economy means all over the international economies are hit by this worst recession, and this is the worst recession since the Great Depression of 1930s. This pandemic and consequent lockdown, as we are having a situation of lockdown due to which there is no production in the economy, have hit various sectors, and those sectors include MSME, that is micro, small and medium enterprises, hospitality sector, civil aviation sector, agriculture sector and allied sectors. Talking about in terms of trade, so China is the world's largest exporter and second largest importer. World's export 13% and world's import 11% is being done by China. Up to a large extent, it will impact the Indian industry, because In terms of export, if we'll talk, China is India's third largest export partner. And over the overall shares of the export of India, it accounts for 5%. Also in China, about 72% of companies in India are located in cities like Shanghai, Beijing, Jiangsu and Shandong. Therefore, the adverse effect on Indian manufacturing cannot be ignored. In India, the major contributors to GDP are three. These are namely private consumption, that is consumption of household sector, investment, that is investment of producer sector, and external trade, that is a net effect of net imports and export. These all will get affected due to this outbreak of COVID-19. World and Indian economy are attempting to mitigate the health risk of COVID-19 with the economic risks, and necessary measures needed will be taken to improve it. So I hope you all have got a brief view about the impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy. The notes or the article that I have used, the sources used are CII, Novel Coronavirus in China, Impact Analysis. Confederation of Indian Industries have done an impact analysis of novel coronavirus in China, and also an article published at www.jagranjosh.com. Thank you so much, students.